Good morning, folks. Hope everybody's doing well today. Today's video is going to be Daniel making cookies, and they're good too. But first, we're going to start off with a mail call. As you can see, I'm wearing a new hat here. This comes from Brother Bill at Last Days Homesteading. Get a chance, check him and Gracie's channel out. Great folks, sure are. We'll be showing you the mail call. He went overboard. He sent us a bunch of stuff. And after that, we're going to be having Daniel's cookies. I believe he made M&M pudding cookies. They are good. Folks, I'm going to get on here with the video. Hope y'all have a great day. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. Hope you enjoy. Hello folks, let me take these glasses off. It'd probably be a glare. Mail call today. Brother Bill from Last Days Homesteading sent me something here. Let's see what it is. It's packaged up good. Let's see. Oh boy. Look at that hat. Can you see it there, Shook? Then here is a card. Oh, great. My gosh, he went overboard. Looky here. Peas. Oh, look what you got there,
Oh boy.
Cherokee purple. There's your marigolds.
Yeah.
And there's some of those there. Look at this. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
And looky here. Goodness gracious. Look at that buck knife. Gracious, Brother Bill, you went well overboard. Gosh. The gift card. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Folks, if you get a chance, check out Brother Bill's channel, him and Gracie. Awesome channel. Last Days Homesteading. Thank you.
Hello folks, welcome back. Today we're going to be fixing some M&M pudding cookies. Now if you can hear me, I sound pretty bad, but it's not that bad. I just got a sinus infection. I just can't get rid of the cough. But let's get started. What you're going to need is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of butter softened, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar, one box of 4 serving size Jello vanilla instant pudding and pie filling mix. That's a mouthful. 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 cups of red and green M&Ms. Alright, let's get started. Alright, now we're going to put in our butter. We've softened it up already. There we go. Get the sugars in. Here's your white sugar here. And our brown sugar. Let me get the last of this butter here out of the thing. Waste not, want not. Alright. Now we're going to put this on medium speed for a few minutes. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to put in the vanilla pudding mix. And then, I was making sure the recipe didn't say to combine that and the eggs, but you're just going to beat that in, the vanilla pudding mix. You're going to mix it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to beat in 1 egg at a time. Try to do this. Oh, there's one. Alright, get the other egg in. I keep stopping it because I don't want nothing to splatter out. I don't want no catastrophes. Alrighty, folks. I really couldn't hear myself. Going back over the video here, I couldn't really hear myself. Hopefully you're able to hear me now. But what we're doing, we're putting in the vanilla. It calls for 1 teaspoon, but just measure with your heart. We'll mix that in, and then we'll be moving on to the flour. Alrighty, here's the flour. What I forgot to, I think I mentioned it in it, but it said about the flour to put the salt and the baking soda both in with the flour and mix it up. I didn't know that until after I looked at the recipe. But we're just going to put in a little bit at a time. You may be able to do it if you have a bigger mixer to mix it all together. But we're just going to take it a little bit at a time. I don't want to have to get Mom a new KitchenAid mixer. Alrighty, now what we're going to do is we're going to put in the M&Ms. Just like the flour, just do a little bit at a time. It won't really hurt the mixer. What we're just trying to do is not break up the M&Ms. We're trying to keep them whole. If they get broke up, that's fine, but we're just trying to keep them whole. But we're just going to put in half at a time. And I don't know if I mentioned it yet, but we'll have the recipe down below so you can follow along with us while I'm doing it. Alrighty, looks like we're getting ready to put them on the cookie sheet. Be right back. Alrighty, now after doing it, the recipe says it'll make 54 cookies. That's not right. Maybe if you make them a little smaller, but we just used an ice cream scoop. Just scoop you out some. This first one, I think we done 16 cookies altogether on it. I think altogether, the way I done it, it made 25 cookies. Just a little under half of what you would have had. But if you want to make them smaller, you can make them smaller. Hey, you can even just make it into one big giant cookie. Alright, I don't think I mentioned it before, but you'll cook these for 9 to 11 minutes at 350 degrees. Like I said, the recipe will be down below if y'all want to follow along. Good gosh, look how big I made that one. Good Lord. Maybe it's just the camera making it that big. But we'll be right back after they get done cooking. We'll show you the final product. Be right back. Alrighty, folks, here they are out of the oven. Like I said, it should have made 54, but just depending on the size that you make them, they'll be a little bit bigger. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you Monday. Have a great weekend, stay safe, and have a blessed weekend. We'll see you Monday. Thank you again for watching. I forgot to include, Mom tried it on camera. She said it was really good. But, again, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. See you Monday.